Hi everyone, this is Harry. This is the rotor pad on top of St. Joseph Hospital in Phoenix, Arizona. This is their landing pads, and I believe there's 3 of them. They land between the blue lights, somewhere right there. There, and there's one behind me. And this is what they catch you. Just in case you get too close to the edge, they catch you on this little railing right there. And obviously, parking lot. Pretty scary. Pretty picture though. Absolutely adorable. That's a rotor right there. I can see it. Okay, this is the pad. Their goal is to land on the H. Stands for helicopter, I believe, or Harry, I'm not sure. It was pretty nice of them to put an H on their pad just for me, but I'm guessing not. Okay, thanks for sharing this video with me. It's pretty cool. And again, talk to you later. Have a great day.